Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is Sunday, guys. Today is Mother's Day. I'm laying in my bed. I just woke up, guys. It's still the curtains are still not drawn. Yep. So, guys, I just woke up. I said my prayer. I'm laying down relaxing. Junior is out of the room. I just want to take this opportunity, guys, to wish all the mothers. First, let me start with my mommy. Wishing my mommy happy Mother's Day. I wanted to go by her house today, guys, and do her house for Mother's Day, but I had a bad dream last night, so I'm not doing any traveling today. Yeah, the dream was pertaining to traveling, so I don't want to travel when I had that bad dream. So, guys, I'm gonna um do something in the house today to bring in the Mother's Day. I don't know. I'm not gonna do a lot of work, guys, because the house doesn't really need that deep clean or anything like that. Just maybe a small amount of cleaning, just to just to do some Mother's Day cleaning. But let us know I'm finished with my mommy and I explain the situation. Now I want to wish all the mothers who subscribe to my channel. Wish all of you happy Mother's Day. I hope God continue to richly bless you and guide you and give you strength. Yes, Mother's world is not easy, but it is also amazing. It's rewarding. Yes, guys. So I wrote a list here of who I know are mommies and who I think are mommies. So I have Cece. Cece is a mom, and she's also an expecting mom. And I want to wish her personally happy Mother's Day, and that God may continue to bless and keep you. And also Shadeen Johnson. Shadeen Johnson is a mom. Shadeen, I wish the same for you. That God bless and keep you, and have a happy Mother's Day. Uh, Chat. Viscarando. Happy Mother's Day to you, my sister. I hope God continue to bless and to keep you. And also Simone Brandy. Happy Mother's Day. How are you two girls? I wish God continue to bless and keep you. And Adija, I think you're a mom. Yeah, you are a mom. Happy Mother's Day, and I hope God continue to bless and keep you, my dear. Tracy, I'm not sure if you're a mom, Tracy. Let me know in the comment. But if you're a mom, happy Mother's Day. And Miss Dove, not sure if you're a mom, but I think you're a mom. If you're a mom, happy Mother's Day, my sis. Alita Linda, the same for you. I'm not sure if you're a mom, but if you're a mom, happy Mother's Day. Yes, guys. And so those are who I want to wish happy Mother's Day. If there's any other mothers who are on this channel as subscribers, please just drop a comment down below because I am not sure. I'm just sure for those who I called. Those I think are our moms. Sorry. So just want to wish all the moms on my channel happy Mother's Day, and I am so grateful that you're supporting my channel, guys. It's not easy being a mom and also lending support to someone else. And you guys have been supporting my channel, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, guys. Please continue to watch, comment, share, and all of that. And to the other moms on YouTube who have not subscribed to my channel, just want to wish all of you happy Mother's Day, and hope God continues to bless and to keep you. And also to Mr. Manic's wife, Mrs. Robinson, happy Mother's Day. And thank you guys for everything that you have been doing for me on YouTube here. I really appreciate it. Now, guys, stay tuned for today's video. Don't know what's gonna be like because my husband is home, and I know he's gonna do breakfast for me and all that. So let's see what's gonna happen. So you're coming in the room. Come say hi. Where are you? Say morning.
Happy Mother's Day to all the ladies out there, to my mom, to my wife's mom, to all the moms. Love you guys.
Yeah, and I totally forget to say Happy Mother's Day to my mother-in-law. Happy Mother's Day, Bevo. And to my sister-in-laws, Happy Mother's Day. Oh, and to my sisters, Happy Mother's Day. Stay tuned, guys.
say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Daniel. These people are crazy. mother made breakfast, guys. Delicious. So I have saltfish fritters, I have corned beef, I have sardine, plantain, and some tea. It's very delicious, guys. So this is my Mother's Day breakfast, and you'll be doing dinner. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you want to see the dinner, come over to the cooking channel. I'll put the name up top. Bye.